Hey everyone, as you'll see here, we're just doing an oxygen sensor on this 2001 Suzuki Vitara. It's a V6. So you just disconnect this wire. It's going to be in the back. The system lean condition, so we're just going to rip and replace at this moment. And then I'm using this O2 sensor tool to get on it and make sure you be mindful that you're not entrapping any other wires. But yeah, it's a pretty straightforward swap. There's the part number on this, so we're gonna get it done. I'll let you know. So as with any O2 sensor swap, you want to make sure that the depth is different. The same. So check that, and most importantly, the connections between the old and the one that match up. So the electrical connectors match up, and should give you confidence to carry on the job. So this one particular goes right there in that hole, and just stick it in. I like screwing in the sensor first and then plugging in the electrical. So you guys get back on that. Okay, so sometimes that one tool I had, the one with the long handle, sometimes that oxygen sensor tool does not work, especially in these tight constraints here, right? So the swing arc, it's not permissible for the next indexing. So I'm going to use this tool. I'll tighten it up. I'll show you when we tighten it up, and then I'll remove it and show you what I use. So this is my method of tightening this. Okay, so I have this tool. It's clocked in such a way that I could get it, and I have an upsizer because it's a 1/2-inch drive. So I upsize this the ratchet, and I'm just gonna snug it. It's not gonna go anywhere, so I just snug. Okay, should be good. Obviously you want to make sure it's not cross-threaded. So this is the tool. It's part number OXYSENWR, and it's made by a power built. So this is a power built tool. Excellent, pretty good, and a 1/2-inch drive. You see the indexing for 1/2-inch drive, so cool. And this is what I used. The same ratchet and the upsizer. Cool. So I'm going to plug in that electrical connector and be right back.